This video we're going to be dealing with leaky solenoids. We're going to replace a couple gaskets. We'll start by removing the wheel. It's a 22mm lug nuts. I'll show you the leak. It's really bad. Driver gonna start the vehicle and you'll see. So you should be able to see leak. It's a very big leak. Driver said he noticed leak. Not that significant, but noticed leak before and just didn't have time or didn't have desire to work on it, and now it's leaking really bad. So we're gonna address that issue today. Gonna start by removing that connector on the top. I'll start with this one. And there's one more right here. To remove the second connector, connection is not right here. It's further up. I'll try to reach and disconnect it on ridge line. For whatever reason, I couldn't disconnect it. End up removing it from here. It worked, but was pretty tough, and I'll try to show you. This side, that's the one that's part of this solenoid piece. It looks like this. And the other side looks like this. So I had to reach all the way up and push on this one. And they were clipped into this bracket. Now looks like everything's unplugged and we have to remove 3 bolts on a solenoid. I forgot to mention it, but you might want to do the oil change after replacing gaskets here. And I'm gonna remove this filter now. Now, if you're just gonna replace the oil filter housing solenoid without replacing the oil, you don't have to remove the drain plug. Now I'm gonna remove 3 12mm bolts holding this housing solenoid in place. This one's longer. This one's same size, so top right is the longest. Now we should be able to take it out. Let's see. This gasket is very brittle and broke when I tried to remove it. Other thing is you need impact wrench to remove those. If you don't have impact, if you're gonna use ratchet, you have to remove those bolts while this housing is still secured. So that's one gasket. So to remove this one, I think it's 22mm. Now I'll just clean surface here and here with brake parts cleaner. I'll start with replacing this O-ring. And looks like the driver purchased Honda original parts. I'll provide Amazon affiliate links for those parts, including oil filter as well. So seller didn't purchase a red original O-ring, but he had some aftermarket O-ring right here, and I'll use that. I'll just hand tighten it. Don't over tighten it with impact wrench, just a little bit. It's good enough. Now let's work on this one. I'm gonna also clean this with brake parts cleaner. Use pick tool to remove this one. Extremely brittle, so this one was definitely bad. Same thing, little bit of oil. Look how flexible this one is compared with this one. I keep telling people, You have to maintain your vehicle, you have to do maintenance, but you know, nobody listens. Gonna start hand tightening it. Same thing with this one. I'll use impact wrench, but as long as it's secured, don't force it. Now we're gonna work on replacing the main gasket. Before doing anything else, I'm gonna clean that surface. I'd say it looks pretty good. Now we're gonna put this gasket here. And same thing, I'm gonna put a bit of oil on it. Gently push it in. What we're gonna do now is install it. I'll start with the longest bolt. The bottom one is very tough to hand tighten, but I did the top two. So I'll start using impact wrench for the bottom, but very gently. Looks good. Now I'm gonna connect this one with that one. Connect it, and I'll put it back on this bracket. And finally connect this one, and actually before I connect it, I'll clean with brake parts cleaner on this connector. Gonna install filter now, put a little bit of oil on the gasket and hand tighten filter to the filter housing. Now off camera we're gonna install drain plug, add oil, and then we're gonna test, make sure there is no more leaks from this area. Okay, we're gonna start the car and check for leaks. So that's how you do the gasket replacement. Just keep in mind, if it's leaking from here, don't wait too long. You'll end up like this driver did, where he had to add a bunch of oil every single day. I'll provide Amazon affiliate links for the gaskets and some tools I used to get this job done. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you next time.